Do you want to improve your English skills in the sciences?
Do you want to explore some of the most innovative areas of scientific study?
Are you interested in learning about the environment?
If you're an English language learner and you answered yes to any of these questions, then this 5-week course is for you.
English for STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, will help you improve your language skills and your knowledge of STEM subjects at the same time.
As a person interested in the community and the world, this course will help you feel more confident about your English and your understanding of the role of science in your daily life.
This course is designed for high beginner to low intermediate English language learners and does not require any background in science.
Language teaching, readings, games, and assessments are adapted to your level. If you have a higher English level, there will be some challenging assignments for you too.
This course consists of 5 units. We'll start with understanding the difference between global warming and climate change. Then, we'll talk about why these are happening. Next, we'll look at the impacts they are having on the Earth, followed by a unit on new technologies to lessen these effects. Lastly, we'll look at exciting innovations and collaborations in the scientific community.
So please join us on this unique journey through language and STEM. The lessons may be challenging at times, but we've included some interactive games to help support your learning. You can also find supportive friends as you connect with classmates around the world and in your Coursera community. My name is Jack Sullivan, and I have a master's in TESOL. I'm the Director of Programs at the English Language Programs at the University of Pennsylvania.
And my name is Alyssa Swanson. I have a master's in TESOL. At the University of Pennsylvania, I work as the Intensive Program Manager in the English Language Programs. We will be your instructors for this course.
At the English Language Programs, we offer a variety of courses that focus on English for science, technology, and math. And we look forward to working with you. This course was funded by the U.S. Department of State, Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs, Office of English Language Programs.